Here I have Motorola Edge 30 Neo, and today I'm going to show you how to change aspect ratio in camera on this device. So firstly you have to open camera, then you have to you can tap on this middle icon here and switch aspect ratios, or you can just swipe like this to access this menu, and here you can change aspect ratios like this. So you have 3:4, 9:16, and also full screen aspect ratio. So yeah, and that's it. Thanks for watching. If you find this tutorial useful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel.